Empathy mapping helps teams take all of their messy data and organize it in a way that's easy to see and discuss. But more importantly, it promotes user-centered thinking in team conversations. The most common format divides the map into 4 quadrants of a user: says, thinks, does, and feels. Let's take a closer look at each quadrant, starting with says. Says includes the actual words that users speak. That can be quotes from interviews, things they tell others, or any way they describe their experience out loud or in writing. When adding sticky notes to this quadrant, look at what the user actually says during interviews or observations and how they describe their experience to others. Let's say you're mapping someone booking a medical appointment online. A few examples of sticky notes that live in the says quadrant could be, I wish they would just tell me which one I need. This is confusing. I don't know what half of these options mean. Last time I had to call the office to make sure I did it right. And saying to a friend, their booking system is impossible to figure out. These should be direct quotes or very close paraphrases. The actual words matter because they reveal how users conceptualize and talk about their experience. Here's what this is not: capturing what users mean. If you hear users saying something and you feel like there's something else behind it, that goes in the thinks quadrant, not the says quadrant. The whole point of this quadrant is to learn from the user's actual language, the vocabulary they choose, the terminology they're familiar with, the messages they're spreading around in the world. You've just seen a small preview of my self-paced course on empathy mapping. In the full course, you'll learn how to create clear, actionable empathy maps grounded in real research so you can make smarter product decisions and collaborate more effectively with your team.